Greetings, Sagittarius. Welcome. And my name is Ingrid, and so happy to see everyone. And this is a reading for the next few days ahead. I say for August 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Those 3 days, I can feel with this crystal bringing that energy of something that you're magically making contact with. You're making contact with this divine energy, and it's coming because your ancestors want to speak to you. They want to bring you this message today. And I've been seeing you coming into a time where you really fully embody the recognition that you have everything you need right there at your disposal, right there ready to draw in. And the ancestors are bringing you this magic energy. And look, there it is, the magic guardian. Well, Sagittarius, this is the magician, and that is the energy of Gemini, Virgo, and we're coming in after Leo season. We're in the height of this Lion's Gate portal of 8-8, August 8th. But you're making magic. You're unlocking the magic within. I feel that you're just illuminating this amazing energy out of your heart, out of your chest, something that you've woven together. You put the pieces together, and they're also maybe pieces of fabric. You could be a fabric artist, a weaver, but you're coming into unlocking something that you're working on, and you know it's going to come in with fruition. And you're also the peacekeeper, that totem animal of the buffalo. And they're coming back across the plains of America with great herds again. So it's showing that these ancient, or if there's been something that you've cut off from, that you were connected to, that was a power from your past, you're making magic again. With a harmonious resolution is possible. And so it is that you will unlock the magic. With the stag energy, this is masculine energy where you're using your antlers to connect to higher intuition. You're going to trust in those powers, and you're going to thrive. And that is a beautiful energy around you. And let's see what it is the tarot is bringing for Sagittarius, sun, moon, and rising. And I'm so happy to connect with you today, your energy, and just to resonate what it needs to tell you. You know, the spirit realm wants to talk to us as much as we want to hear the message. And the Wheel of Fortune is there, coming into play, your destiny, right timing, to trust and thrive in this new magic you're unlocking. And you're doing it because you've got a lot of energy of the flame, of the fire. You're passionate about it. But you're also having a harmonious resolution. If there's been a situation where there has been some tension or fighting, in the next 2 to 5 days, you are going to come into a harmonious resolution. And you're going to do that through trusting that you will thrive in the magic. And what is coming for us today is the energy of the Two of Wands clarified by the by the Page of Swords. You're taking some energy that you've already established. You've already made magic, and you well deserve that recognition. But now you're ready to take your energy out. This is behind you. This is finished in the sense of it's been established. And now you're ready to take a vision forward out into the world. And you're ready to grow some project, something you're passionate about. And you might need to get a little bit more curious, because this is the card of the Page of Swords, which is in the position of maybe being an obstacle, challenge, that you need to get above the clouds, see something clearly about this plan, about this, whether you're traveling or making a plan, but you maybe are also avoiding seeing the details. So that is, we'll get more clarity on that. But a harmonious resolution is possible to whatever you're planning to move forward, with justice, with balance, a Libra energy. So you're balancing the situation at the foundation. This could be the right outworkings of a legal situation in the next 3 to 5 days. And you maybe can't see the results yet, but you're going to get curious about a plan of action, and see it from a new perspective, get information, not be avoiding the details. If you need to speak up about this plan, you will know there will be a harmonious resolution, because this is justice, a right outworkings of karma in your favor of what you're taking out into the world. And you received a lot of abundance through work, through connecting to a masculine energy, someone who's very good at business, who in the past you connected, yes, to a masculine energy, who has a lot of skills in business and finances and knowing how to invest in real estate. And you've saved that money up by hard work, and now you have all the accoutrements of wealth. You could have bought a house recently or upgraded to world travel, and it's just and right. You have balanced your energies mentally. And the truth is coming at the foundation about your trust and your thriving. With the King of Pentacles, there's definitely a feeling of having trusted in your abilities to work hard, and then you're thriving. And what is it that's coming at the crown? What is it we need to see for Sagittarius? Well, there is this fiery energy of the King of Wands. So you have 2 kings in a row, and justice at the foundation. So something seriously is coming into truth about a powerful energy of taking action toward this vision. And you have the money, you have the business acumen to go toward your true vision now, with passion, with potency. Whatever you're planning is going to be fulfilled in an entrepreneurial business that is going to be successful, and you're very attractive and confident. You're the stag. This is very leadership energy, and it's coming because right now, if there has been a third-party situation that you maybe did not want to see clearly, you need to get the information about it. And when you do, it's going to harmoniously bring you together in this union. And you've got 2 of the 2. So you're planning some new adventure out into the world, Sagittarius. And you're going to connect to a partnership. It could be a partnership in business that is going to make you very successful. And there is the Magician here between you as well. So whatever you're planning, it could be with this energy of someone, you're going to make magic. You're unlocking the key, getting the right partnership, the right union. And that is coming, and a harmonious resolution is possible between perhaps you and another person. And it's just and balanced. This is a legal contract that you're working on with another, and it's going to be magical. And you're unlocking another connection with pure waters and healing and powerful passion. And that's what I have for you, Sagittarius. I hope this resonates, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.